An old man once told me, he said to me, I was trying to rationalize something. I was trying to make an excuse for something. I was trying to make myself better than I was. I was trying to say it was okay. and he just looked at me and he liked me. And he said, Teddy, there ain't no such thing as being a little pregnant. I was like, yeah. He goes, either you're pregnant or you're not pregnant. Either you're real or you're not real. Either you're, truthful or you're not truthful. Either you're tough or you're not tough. Either you're, committed or you're not committed. Either you're in or you're out.
That applies to a lot of things.
Yeah.
Including loyalty.
That's quite a statement. But the lifeblood of humanity for me is loyalty. It's what goes through the veins of, everything has to have some veins in some form. And if humanity has veins, what runs through the veins of humanity instead of blood to keep it alive is loyalty. Without loyalty, we're dead. We're freaking we're vessels. I never understood what a ghost ship was. You know what? As I got older, I know what a ghost ship is. It's people. Mm-hmm. It's people that are empty. Mm-hmm. They got no loyalty. Therefore, they got no humanity. Therefore, they got nothing. Therefore, freak them. Because, and you know why they don't have loyalty? Convenience. And you know why? Because it's hard to be loyal. Mm-hmm. It's actually hard. Mm-hmm. I'll be a son of a gun. Yeah, you tell me, it sounds great. Give it to me. Paint me with it. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, I'm loyal. This is good. I'm ready. I'm on that team. I'm ready. Put me in, coach. Yeah. I'm ready. Okay. Now you have to, you're going to have to get hurt here. What do you mean get hurt? Oh, well, it's going to be painful. I mean, to be loyal, you're going to be in danger because the person that you committed your loyalty to for a reason, because obviously he did something in your life, whatever, you're actually going to get hurt to be loyal to him. You're actually going to, hold on a minute, coach. Hold on, call time out here. Let me think about this, coach. I might need more practice. I'm not ready for the game. I'm not ready to go in the game yet. Give me a little more practice, coach. And it hurts to be loyal. It freaking hurts. But without loyalty, we're ghost ships. We got no strength. We got nothing. Yeah. We got nothing. We got nothing.